In this video, we're going to walk through a specific problem and we will learn how to calculate how many milliliters of a medication, a liquid medication that should be dispensed using weight-based dosing for a pediatric patient. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jess. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploaded videos. Okay, let's get started. So let's look at this problem together. An 11-pound pediatric patient received an order for oral suspension amoxicillin 50 mg per kilogram per day for 7 days. The oral suspension concentration is 50 mg per ml. How many ml should be dispensed? Now, if you're feeling up to it, take a moment, try to solve it yourself, write the answer in the comments, but don't you worry, we're going to solve it together. Every time you're solving a weight-based dosing calculation, if the weight is given in pounds, you need to convert it to kilogram. That should always be your first step. So in this problem here, the weight is given in pounds. It's 11 pounds. And to convert that to kilogram, you divide by 2.2. So 11 divided by 2.2, that's 5 kilogram. Just an FYI, if the weight is given in kilogram and you need to convert that to pounds, you multiply by 2.2. So it's the opposite. Okay, back to the problem. Now for step 2, we can calculate the daily dose. So we know it's 50 milligram per kilogram per day, and the weight is 5 kilograms. So we can multiply 50 by the weight in kilogram, which is 5. So that's 250 milligram per day. So that's the daily dose, but in milligram. The next step is to convert that daily dose from milligram to ml. So how do we do that? We can use ratio and proportion. So it's going to be 50 milligram over 1 ml, that's the concentration, equals 250 milligram, that's the daily dose we just found in step 2, over x. So x then equals 250 divided by 50, and that's 5 ml. So now you have the daily dose in ml. So 250 is the daily dose in milligram, but because the question is asking for ml, we had to convert that. So 5 ml is the daily dose in ml. But we're not done here. So this is why you need to pay close attention to what is being asked. Now, if the problem was asking how many ml will the patient be taking per day, then this would have been the final answer, 5 ml. But this is not what we're being asked here. The question is, how many ml should be dispensed? So we know this medication will be taken for 7 days. So we have the daily dose. So to find the total amount in ml that should be dispensed, we need to multiply 5 by 7 because it's going to be taken for 7 days. So that is 35 ml. So your final answer is 35 ml. If you're enjoying these types of calculations and you find them helpful, my calculation workbook is dropping in September, so stay tuned for that. There's a whole lot of these types of problems in there. And I also post these as quick reference slides on TikTok. So check out my TikTok. You can save those and use them to study for later. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.